Honor with Honor with SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. I'm going to bring you the latest insights into Valencia real estate, that market for single-family detached homes. So let's take a look at the past 12 months and see how prices and on-market times happen to be shaping up. So here's the actual data. So what I ran is you can see, looking at starting with median sales prices, we have some interesting movements over the past year. For example, back in December of 2023, you can see this figure here. The median price for a single-family detached home in Valencia was around $835,000. While prices have fluctuated a bit, they've largely stayed on the higher end, showing strong demand in Valencia's market. Now, with regard to if we switch gears for days on market, which didn't tell us how quickly homes are selling, there's a similar story. So January 2024, you can see that right here. Homes here were on the market for about 20 days, but by March, that number dropped significantly in days. So that's definitely a clear indicator of increased buyer activity. You can see how it shrunk here very, very quickly. So what does that mean to you if you're thinking of buying and selling? Well, Valencia continues to be sought after area. Low days on market timeframes suggest homes are still selling quickly, especially when prices are competitive. Buyers should act fast while sellers can feel confident about listing on the market. For a deeper dive, make sure you run over to SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. And then as we close out the year, you can see the November numbers. We have the days to sell increasing in the median range. In addition, we have the prices up a bit from September. I'm Connor with Honor. Thanks for watching. We'll be back in the next one.